Welcome to Slick Media TV. Kana ili first time yako kwa pano tukumbira tusiya wa subscriber ka ni kuklika notification icon so that whenever we upload a new video unovoita munhu wekutanga kuona maizi ya usajambwe ni nyaya yedu ya izuwa ranhasi ndiyo retired Lieutenant General Sanyatwe yes finally breaks his silence on his newly appointed ministerial position. A lot of people have been expecting him to say something, but let's hear it from the horse's mouth.
Allow me first to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and the Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to appoint me to be his minister to the Ministry of Sports, Education, Arts and Culture. It is indeed a great honor, special recognition from His Excellency. In fact, I am also humbled with the confidence and trust that the President has accorded me to lead this special ministry. In essence, sports, arts, culture, to me, are very strong tools for national unity, youth empowerment, as well as economic growth. It is with these that a nation is identified, it has our identity, history, as well as the aspiration of a nation. And given that background, it is my submission that I should by all means take on board all stakeholders as I embark on my new journey to lead this nation. Basically, my mission therefore is to develop, to create, as well as to promote all the aspects that go by our identity and where possible for it to be recognized locally and internationally. And in those few words, allow me to thank once again His Excellency for the trust and confidence in me. And lastly, I would want to say we shall move together as a team as we move forward with a united purpose as I take up my new office as minister. Otherwise, I thank you so much.